Good morning students, I hope you all are fine. Let me start exercise 2.5 of chapter number 2 standard 7. एक्सरसाइज 2.5 का क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया था लास्ट लेक्चर में. नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. एक्सप्रेस द एज रुपीस यूजिंग द डेसिमल्स. यहाँ पे हमें जो कोई नंबर दिए गए हैं वो सब पैसे में दिए गए. वी आर कन्वर्टिंग पैसा इनटू रुपीस बाय यूजिंग डेसिमल्स. तो लेट वी स्टार्ट विद द वन रिजल्ट. हमें सबको मालूम है कि 100 रुपीस 100 पैसा is equal to 1 rupee. We all know that 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. Then 1 paisa is equal to how much? So we know that we are using the cross multiplication operation here. So 1 ones are 1 upon 100. Okay, then 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupees, then 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. Then we can also be said that if the 100 is denominator of the any number, if we remove the 100 we can put the point after the 2 point from left side. So we are putting the point. यहाँ पे तो 1 ही है. अगर हमें point के बाद 2 डिजिट चाहिए, अगर हमें डिनोमिनेटर में जो 100 है उसको रिमूव करना है, इफ़ यू वांट टू रिमूव द 100 फ्रॉम द डिनोमिनेटर देन वी आर पुटिंग द डेसिमल पॉइंट बिफोर 2 डिजिट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड. पर यहाँ पे तो एक ही नंबर है, देन वी आर पुटिंग द 0 बिफोर द 1. सो वी कैन इजीली पुट द पॉइंट before 2 points. So we are, this one is the first and this one is the second. So we are putting the 0.01 rupee. So we have one relation from paisa to rupee is 1 paisa is equal to 0.01 rupees. Okay, this is the one relation. So now we are starting with the example number 1. Example number 1 is 7 paisa. So we can easily say that 1 paisa is equal to 0.01 rupees. Then 7 paisa is equal to 0.07 rupees. This one is the first answer. Second one is 7 rupees 7 paisa. So here 7 rupees as it is, because of whenever put the numbers like a 7 rupees and 7 paisa is converted to the first paisa, then it become a 7 rupees and 7 rupees and 7 paisa is equal to 7 rupees is an integer and 7 paisa is equal to 0.7. अब 7 rupees it is already integer itself. वो तो कोई पैसे की बात नहीं हो रही है. It is itself rupees. So we are putting the 7.07. Then 77 rupees and 77 paisa. Now we are again 77 rupees point 77 paisa. Okay, now fourth one 50 paisa. 50 paisa. The 51 paisa is equal to 0.1 rupees. 2 paisa is equal to 0.2 paisa. 3 paisa is equal to 0.03 rupees. 4 paisa is equal to 0.04 rupees. Then 50 paisa is equal to 0.50 rupees. And fifth one 235 paisa. Now we are putting the 235 rupees. But after the two digit from the left side, we are put the point for rupees. So we can take a point here. It become a 2.35 rupees. Okay, write down in your fair book. Now question number 3 is express the 5 centimeter into meter and kilometer. So first we convert to centimeter into meter. Therefore, we know that, what we know that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then 1 centimeter is equal to how much meter? So we know that 1 ones are 1 upon 100 meter. This is the relation. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter or 0.01 as per the previous sum. We know that. So here how many centimeter? 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter is equal to 5 upon 100 meter. So now here 5 upon 100 it becomes 0.05 मीटर, क्योंकि हम डिनोमिनेटर से जब 100 को रिमूव करेंगे तो पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट रहने चाहिए, पर यहाँ पे तो ओनली 5 था, तो कोई भी डिजिट कोई भी इंटीजर्स के आगे हम कितने भी जीरो लगा सकते हैं. सो दिस वन इज द फर्स्ट रिलेशन. 5 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 0.05 मीटर. नाउ वी आर कन्वर्टिंग 5 centimeter into kilometer, but we are not directly convert centimeter to kilometer. Okay, so first we convert centimeter into meter, then we are converting meter into kilometer. Like, therefore 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. These all the units we had learned in the standard 5th, 6th already. Okay, we have learned about the how to convert the meter into centimeter, centimeter into millimeter. This is all about in standard 6. So you know very well. Okay, so now here 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So that 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer, then 0.05 meter is equal to how many? We are put the 0.05 behalf of 1. So 0.05 upon 1, 2, 3 kilometer. But now you can see that in the denominator of this term we have the 30. Okay, so we are again move the point on the left side. How many digit? 1, 2 and 3. Let's see. We can say that यहाँ पे 0 है तो we can put the more 0. 1, 2, 3, 4.05. It is the valid number because of lot of 0 we are put the before the any integer numbers. So upon 1000. Now we are remove the 3 point on the left side. Okay, now first, second and third. So answer is 0.12340 12340 kilometer. It is the 5 centimeter is equal to, so we can say that, so that 5 centimeter is equal to 0.00005 kilometer and 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter. This is the two conversation. So now the next example is express the 35 mm into centimeter, meter and kilometer. So first one is, therefore we know that 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeter. Then 1 mm is equal to how much? 1 upon 10 centimeter. So we know that how many? 35 mm. So 35 mm is equal to 35 upon 10 centimeter is equal to, if we remove the 10 in the denominator, then we can put the point, decimal point before one digit. It become a 3.5 centimeter as per the decimal rules. Now centimeter into meter. Now we all know that. Therefore 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Now here how many centimeter? 3.5 centimeter is equal to 3.5 upon 100 meter. It become a, अब कितना है डिनोमिनेटर में? 0 2, तो हमें इस पॉइंट को और 2 डिजिट लेफ्ट साइड की तरफ मूव करने पड़ेंगे. सो यहाँ पे 0 पॉइंट एक मूव किया तो 0.35, एक और मूव करा होगा तो 0.035 मीटर. ओके, देन therefore 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Then 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 किलोमीटर. ये एग्जाम्पल जैसा ही है, ठीक है. सो दैट हाउ मेनी मीटर्स? 0.035 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 0.035 डिवाइड बाय 1000 kilometer. So that now again we are move the digit on the left side. We are moving the digit on the left side. How many digit? 3 digit if we move the 1000 of denominator. So यहाँ पे 1 0 2 0 3 0 और लगाने पड़ेंगे. 1 2 और 3 0 मूव हुए और 0.35 as it is. So it is a 0.035 meter is equal to this value. Okay, so these 2 examples write down in your fair book. Now question number 4 is express in kilogram. So first we know that, what we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. This is all everyone is know that. Okay, because of whenever we go to the market to purchase any vegetables, we are usually use this word 500 grams, 250 grams. So we all know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So here 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Or we can say that if we remove the 3 0, we can put the 0.001 kg. Okay, this is the relation between the gram to kilogram. 1 gram is equal to 0.001 kilogram. So here we have 3 examples. Like first one is 200 gram is equal to how many digits after the decimal point? 3 digits. So we are putting like a decimal point to get the 3 digit after the decimal point. So here 0.200 kilogram. 200 gram is equal to 0.200 kilogram. Second one is 3470 gram is equal to we are putting the decimal point like that, then we can get the 3 digit after the decimal point. So we are putting the point here after the 3, so we can get the kilogram. So 3.470 kilogram. Last one, 4 kilogram 8 gram. It is equal to 4 kg plus 8 gram. So now 4 kg as it is, because it is already given in the kilogram. So 4 as it is plus, now we are converting gram into kilogram. It becomes 0.008 kilogram. Whenever we get the addition of 4 plus 0.008, it becomes 4.008 किलोग्राम. तो आपको पहले ये मालूम होना चाहिए कि थाउजेंड्स ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1 kg होता है. देन 1 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1/1000 kg. नाउ वी कैन गेट द रिलेशन. हमें एक रिलेशन मिलता है कि 1 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 0.001 किलोग्राम. और इसी रिलेशन को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम क्या करते हैं, तीनों एग्जाम्पल का सॉल्यूशन करते हैं. देन 1 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 0.001 kg. देन 200 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 0.200 kg. ठीक है, ये हुआ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Now we are going to the question number 5. What is the question? Question is write the expanded form. Expanded form हमने 5th में भी पढ़ा है और 6th में भी पढ़ा था. ठीक है, लेट्स सी. और ये जो डेसिमल टॉपिक हम स्टार्ट किया था उस टाइम भी मैंने आपको सिखाया था हाउ टू कन्वर्ट टू द एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म. अगले लेक्चर का लास्ट टॉपिक आप देख लेना, समझना आए तो. देखो कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे. यहाँ देखो, दिस वन इज द वंस प्लेस. Ones place is 0, so we are not putting any value. Now 2 is at the tens place, so 2 multiply with 10 plus at the 10th place we have 0, so we are not putting any 10th place. Now only we are put the 100th place, so it become a 3/100. This is the expanded form of 20.03. Now second one, now 2 is at the ones place, so we can 2 multiply with 1 plus at the 10th place we have a 0, so we are not putting any numbers, and 3 as it is 3/100 as per the previous examples. Now let's see it. At the ones place 0, at the tens place 0, and the 2 is at the 100 place, so we are putting the 2 multiply with 100 plus 3 as it is 3/100, क्योंकि 3 कहाँ पे है, 100th के प्लेस पे है. Now 2 at the ones place, so we are put the 2 multiply with 1, then plus वंस के प्लेस पे कुछ नहीं है तो 0. देन 3 कहाँ पे है, 100th के प्लेस पे, तो इट बिकम 3/100. इट बिकम 0.03 प्लस 4 एट द 1000th प्लेस, सो वी आर पुटिंग द 4/1000. अगर इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन कर, सिंप्लीफिकेशन आपको मांगा नहीं है, so didn't get the simplification, पर मैं आपको समझाने के लिए एक बता रहा हूँ कि 2 1 2 प्लस 3/100 it become a 0.03. ओके, एंड 4/1000 इज इक्वल टू 0.004. अगर इन तीनों नंबर का हम एडिशन करेंगे तो हमें 2.034 ही मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट मी स्टार्ट विद द एडिशन ऑफ द डेसिमल नंबर 2. अगर इसके पॉइंट के बाद कुछ नंबर नहीं है तो हम 0 लिख सकते हैं. प्लस ये क्या है तो कि 0.03. ये नंबर कौन सा है तो कि 0.004. नाउ वी गेट एडिशन 0. 3 डिजिट के बाद हम 0 लिख सकते हैं तो इट बिकम 4, इट बिकम 3, 000 पॉइंट के नीचे पॉइंट और ये आ जाएगा 2.034. दिस इज द एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म ऑफ गिवन डेसिमल नंबर्स. ओके, सभी में करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ नॉलेज के लिए कि इस तरह से इसका एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म हो सकता है. ठीक है, दोनों क्वेश्चन अच्छे से अपनी नोट में लिख लीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 एक्सरसाइज 2.5 में राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2। यहाँ जो नंबर दिए गए हैं वो नंबर की प्लेस वैल्यू हमें लिखनी है। तो यहाँ देखो पहला नंबर 2.56, जहाँ पे 2 वंस के प्लेस पे है। कहाँ पे है? वंस के प्लेस पे। तो वी कैन राइट दैट प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ 2 इज इक्वल टू 2 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1 और 2 ones. Okay. Second one is 21.37. So let's see it. This one is the ones place. This one is the 10th place. So place value of 2 is equal to 2 multiply with 10, or you can also be write that 2 tens. Okay. In the third question 10.25, ones place, tens place, 10th place, 100th place. So 2 is at the 10th place. The place value of 2 is equal to 2 multiply 1 by 10th place. So you can also be write that 2 tenth. Here ones, 10th, 100th. So it become a place value of 2 is equal to 2 upon 10th and 100. It become 100. So you can write the 200th place. And the last one is ones, 10, 10th, 100 and 1000th. So it become a place value of, you can write 2 is equal to 2 upon 10th, 100 and 1000th is equal to, you can write 2000th. ओके, ये सब उसकी जहाँ पे 2 है उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू यहाँ पे लिखी है। हम दो तरह से लिख सकते हैं, या तो डिजिट से या तो वर्ड से। सो दोनों तरह से हमने लिख ली है। ठीक है, राइट डाउन इन योर फेयर बुक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 is Dinesh went from a place A to B and from there to place C. अब एक दिनेश है और ट्रैवल कर रहा है फ्रॉम पॉइंट A to B एंड B to C। ये इतना ट्रैवल कर रहा है। तो देखिए A is 7.5 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम B, तो ये डिस्टेंस कितना है? 7.5 किलोमीटर। तो A से B तक पहुंचेगा तब उसका डिस्टेंस कितना होगा? 7.5 किलोमीटर्स। एंड फ्रॉम देयर टू प्लेस C, ओके, 7.5 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम B एंड B इज 12.7 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम C. So this distance will be 12.7 kilometer. Then Dinesh, so we can say that Dinesh covered total distance is equal to, दिनेश कवर टोटल डिस्टेंस कितना कवर कर रहा है डिस्टेंस? तो कि AB प्लस BC, AB प्लस BC इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ AB? 7.5 plus 12.7, so we can write here 12.7. So now we are get the addition, 5 plus 7 it become a 12, 12 के 2, 1 carry up, so 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10, carry up 1, 1 plus 1 2. So total distance is covered by Dinesh is 20 0.2 kilometer. Now, second one is what? Ayub went to from place A to place D and from there to place C. अब अयूब है वो A से D तक जाता है और D से C तक पहुंचता है, तो उसका डिस्टेंस क्या है? तो अगर D is 9.3 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम A, तो दिस डिस्टेंस विल बी 9.3 किलोमीटर. Now, C is the 11.8 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम D. सो ये अयूब का पाथ है और ये दिनेश का पाथ है, तो वी कैन राइट दैट अयूब covered total distance is equal to AD plus DC is equal to, what is the AD? 9.3 plus 11.8. So we can put 8 plus 3, 11, carry up 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 9, 11, carry up 1, 21.1 kilometer. This is the total distance. The total distance covered by Dinesh is 20.2 and total distance covered by Ayub is 21.1. So now we are comparing which one is the more travel, so that on comparing compare distance between Dinesh and Ayub. So which one is the more, 20.2 or 21.1? So we can say that 21.1 is greater than 20.2. So we can say that Ayub is more travel, but how much? Therefore Ayub covered more distance. Therefore Ayub covered more distance is equal to 21.1 minus 20.2 is equal to 1 minus 2 is not possible, so we can take the borrow 11 and 0. 11 minus 2 it become a 9. Point के नीचे point, 0 minus 0, 0. 0.9 kilometer. Okay, so completely see this lecture 2 times, understood what we want to find, how. Okay, and write down. Question number 8 is, Shyama bought a 5 kg and 300 gram apples and 3 kg and 250 gram of mangoes. Okay, then Sarla bought 4 kg and 800 gram oranges and 4 kg and 150 gram bananas. So who bought more fruits? So first we are convert the kilogram into the gram. Therefore we converted given data gram to kilogram, gram to kilogram. So here first one is 5 kg and 5 kg and 300 gram is equal to 5 kg plus 300 gram. So we know that. Okay, we also know that, okay, 5 kg as it is, plus if we convert to gram into kilogram, then we have to find 0. After 3 digits, so it becomes 0.3. So 5.3 kilogram. gram. Okay, then second one is 3 kg and 250 gram is equal to 3 kg plus 250 gram is equal to 3 plus 0.25. So it become a 3.25 kg. So now total weight of fruits bought by Shyama is equal to 5.3 plus 3.25. So it become we can also be at 5.30. So 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Point. 5 plus 3, 8 kilogram. So total weight of fruit bought by Shyama is 8.55 किलोग्राम. अब ऐसे ही प्रोसेस सेम टू सेम हम किस में करेंगे? सरला के लिए. सो सरला के लिए मैं अब डायरेक्टली लिख लूँगा. क्या लिखूँगा कि टोटल वेट ऑफ फ्रूट्स bought by Sarla is equal to, which one is 4 kg and 800 gram, it become a 4.8 kilogram plus 4 kg and 150 gram, it become a 4.150 kilogram. So we can get, यहाँ पे 0 लगा देते तो 0 plus 5 it become a 5, 8 plus 1 it become a 9 and 4 plus 4 8.95 किलोग्राम. ओके, अब श्यामा के पास टोटल कितना फ्रूट है? 8 kg एंड 55 ग्राम. और सरला के पास टोटल कितना फ्रूट है? तो सरला के पास टोटल फ्रूट है 8 kg एंड 95 किलोग्राम. सो किसके पास ज़्यादा हुआ? सो ऑन कंपेयरिंग द क्वांटिटी ऑफ फ्रूट, कंपेयरिंग of quantity of fruit, quantity of fruits. Okay, so which one is the more, 8.55 kg or 8.95? So 8.55 kg or 8.95 kg, which one is more? You can see that 8 is the same value, then we can check 5 or 9. Okay, so 9 is bigger, so we can say that 8.95 kg is greater than, okay, is greater than. So you can say that therefore the Sarla bought more fruits. Okay, write down in your book. Let me start next example. Next example is how much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometers. So let me take the distance. Difference of 42.6 and 28 is 42.6 minus 28.0. 6 minus 0 it become a 6. Now 2 minus 8 is not possible, so we can take the borrow. 12 and 3. 12 minus 8, it become a 4. 3 minus 2, it become a 1. It become a 40.6. So that, therefore, 28 is 40.6 kilometer less than 42.6 kilometer. Okay, write down in your fair book. Then now the exercise 2.5 is complete here. Now we start with the 2.6 in next lecture. Thank you so much.